Introducing the My Library feature in Blum's Product Configurator, your ultimate solution to save time and effort in your cabinet building process. My Library is your personal vault where you can store complete or incomplete configurations as library entries, serving as templates for frequently built applications. Once you finalize a configuration, simply click the Add to My Library button. You'll then have the option to choose what remains constant and what changes with each configuration. If all checkboxes are selected, it's marked as complete. Otherwise, it's incomplete, indicating aspects that will vary across applications like drawer height. Need to revisit a saved configuration? Just click Load Configuration on the desired entry. It'll take you directly to the first unchecked part, allowing you to quickly tweak the details. And with features like favorites, sorting by category, and comparison lists, managing your library has never been easier. Ever wondered how two similar configurations stack up against each other? With My Library's comparison list, you can quickly identify minor differences between entries. And don't worry about clutter. You can easily rename or delete any library entry at any time, ensuring your library stays organized and relevant to your needs. My Library isn't just about saving configurations, it's about efficiency. Accessible on mobile devices, it enables you to get your desired results with just a few taps. Ready to revolutionize your cabinet building process? Try out the My Library feature today in our product configurator at e-services.blum.com.